there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset the 450 BT by Sennheiser. So this is the manual that I found. I'm just going to read it for you. So we want to connect the USB-C cable to the headphones. So the first thing you want to just connect it to the headphones and make sure the headphones are being charged. Then what you want to do is you want to simultaneously press and hold one/off button and the rear part of the volume button, so volume plus, for at least 5 seconds. The reset is completely going to use the headphones as normal. So turn it on. When you turn it on, then you just want to, it's going to start blinking for connection, for pairing, and you want to hold the on and off button and the rear part for the volume plus, for the volume button, volume plus, for 5 seconds together. You can see it on the picture right here, and that's how you're going to do it. So hope this video helped you, and have a great day, and goodbye.